Good. Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss about different types of milling methods. So before going to discuss about milling methods, so what is milling? So milling is the operation of removing excess material from the workpiece. So for example, this is a workpiece. So I am removing excess material from the workpiece. The workpiece, either the workpiece it should be a cylindrical workpiece or it should be a flat workpiece. So we are machining both workpieces in milling machine. We can machine both the cylindrical workpiece as well as the flat workpiece. So with the help of multi-point cutter. So milling is the operation of removing excess material from the workpiece in the form of chips with the help of small requirement as per the requirement of the customer, like its required shape and size. So by using multi-point cutter, we are removing excess material from the workpiece. That operation is called as milling operation. So this is the multi-point cutter. So this cutter is called as milling cutter. So coming to milling methods. So we have two types of milling methods are there. One is up milling process, up milling method. Second one is down milling process. So up milling is also called as conventional milling process. Down milling is also called as climb milling operations. Coming to the up milling process. So up milling process, coming to up milling process, this is the cutter, this is the workpiece. So in up milling process, in up milling process, the rotation of the cutter, the direction of rotation of the cutter is opposite to the direction of the workpiece. So here I will show how it is happening in a milling machine. Start the machine. So the cutter is rotates in one direction. The movement of the workpiece moves in opposite direction. That operation is called as up milling process. It means motion up. Here both cutter as well as the workpiece moves in opposite direction. The cutter moves in opposite direction. The direction of the workpiece moves in opposite direction. So I will show you here. So the cutter moves in this direction. Workpiece moves in this direction. The workpiece moves opposite direction. So I am moving the workpiece with the help of table handle. So when we are moving this table handle, the workpiece moves this direction. Because your officer attention. Because back hill. I am moving this table, the workpiece moves. So coming to, the cutter moves in this rotary direction. Workpiece, the travel of the workpiece moves in opposite direction. So this is called as up milling process. Up milling process also called as conventional milling process. So this is the up milling process. Here I am showing the up milling process. So in this is the up milling process. The cutter moves in this direction, workpiece moves in opposite direction. So in up milling process, the maximum chip thickness at the starting process. At the starting point is maximum thickness here we are occurring. The minimum chip thickness occurring at the top. Friend, in conventional milling, in up milling process, the maximum chip thickness at the end of the cut, the minimum chip thickness occurred at the starting of the cut. We will observing the cuts, as well as the maximum the cutting forces occurred in the up milling process varies from 0 to maximum values. So here the cutting forces are maximum forces are occurred. So due to this point, the surface finish is very less in up milling process. Why? Because due to heavy cutting forces, the fixers are lifting the workpiece. So when fixers are lifting the workpiece, the power consumption also increases. When the power consumption increases, the surface finish is reduced on the up milling process. So coming to down milling process, we will see how the down milling process is happening. In up milling process, the length of the chip is very high. In down milling process, the length of the chip is very less. Coming to down milling operation. So in down milling operation, the rotation of the cutter is as the direction of rotation of the cutter is as same as the direction of the travel of the workpiece. Both the directions, the cutter direction as well as the workpiece direction, movement of the workpiece direction is in same direction. That operation is called as down milling operations. I will show how the down milling operation is happened in a milling machine. Let's see. So now the cutter is moves. Both the cutter and workpiece are moves in the same direction. That operation is called as down milling operation, we will see closely. So cutter moves in this direction, workpiece moves in same direction. Was your first patient? So this is the down milling operation. Here the cutter moves in, the cutter and the workpiece are in same direction.
Okay.
So that is about the down milling operation. So in down milling, the down milling method, the chip thickness is maximum at the end, at the starting of the cut. The chip thickness is maximum at the starting of the cut. The chip thickness is minimum at the end of the cut. So that operation we are treating as down milling operation. In down milling operation, we will get good surface finishes as compared to up milling process. While here the cutting forces are well less when compared to down milling, when compared to up milling operation, here the cutting forces are very less. So due to this cause, here we are getting good surface finish in down milling operations. In down milling operation, the length of the chips are very less compared to up milling operations. In down milling operation, the power consumption is also very less compared to up milling operations. In this way, we are discussing down milling and up milling operations. So friends, coming to milling methods. So I already discussed that we have two types of milling methods, up milling and down milling. So up milling and down milling. Coming to up milling. In the up milling is also called as conventional milling, down milling is also called as climb milling. In the up milling process, in the up milling, the metal is removed in the form of small chips by a cutter rotating against the direction of the travel of the workpiece. In this type of milling, the chip thickness is minimum at the starting of the cut and the maximum at the end of the cut. So here, if you are observing, here the chip thickness is minimum at the starting of the cut, the chip thickness is maximum at the end of the cut. So here the cutter moves in this direction, opposite direction the workpiece is moves. So in this fact, both the cutter direction and the workpiece direction both are in opposite direction. So in this way, so this is all about up milling process. Now we will discuss about down milling process. So coming to down milling process, this is also called as climb milling process. In this operation, the metal is removed by a cutter rotating in the same direction of the feed of the workpiece. Both in this operation, both the cutter direction as well as the workpiece direction, both are in the same directions. Both are in same direction. Here, the chip thickness is maximum at the starting of the cut. The chip thickness is minimum at the end of the cut. So coming to this operation is mainly used for getting of good surface finish. I'll show what are the difference between up milling and down milling process. So in this I'll discuss what is the main differences between up milling and down milling. So here the cutter rotation and feed are in the opposite direction. Here the cutter rotation and the feed are in the same direction. The length of the chip, I already told you that the length of the chip is large, the length of the chip is very small. The tool engages in material for long time, the tool engages the material for short time. The tool life is very smaller in up milling process, the tool life is very longer in down milling process, because in down milling process we are getting less cutting forces. So due to heavy cutting forces, we are not getting the good surface finish in up milling process, we are getting good surface finish in down milling process. So this is all about up milling and down milling. So if you have any doubts, please comment in comment section. Please share and subscribe and press the down bell button. Thank you, yours Polya Chintada. Hope you guys are understood.